asked a bird to send you a rose, but not to say that it's from me. And drop it close to where your heart is. Oh, that I may give my heart for free, for free. And I pray night and day that you're surrounded by people who give you reasons why for living, oh living. And hope as hard they're always close by you, just in case it isn't me. There are far too many sad songs in the world. There's more than enough to make us cry. But I wanna love you hard and head on, which is why I asked a bird to send you a rose, but if she tells you it's from me, just keep it close to where your heart is. Know you have my heart with you for free, for free. And I pray night and day that if you ever cry, you'll be surrounded by reasons why for living everywhere. And if they're close by you, that's how you'll know that I'm already there. Yes, loving from a distance doesn't have to be all sobs and misery. When God above has been quite gracious, so should I be, so should I be. I trust that bird has given you the rose, but if I ever fall so clumsy as to say it is from me, it doesn't change the fact that I have given you my heart for free, for free. And I pray night and day that you're surrounded by people who give you love that's worth receiving, sweet reason everywhere. And if they're close by you, and if they're close by you, and if they're close by you, that's how you'll know. I asked a bird to send you a rose, and I'm already there. I asked a bird to send you a rose, and I'm already there. I asked a bird to send you a rose, and I'm already there. I asked a bird to